Hey, what's up, guys? You gotta excuse my angle. I'm using the camera of another phone to record, and yeah, it might be a little knockoff ghetto-ish, but I gotta get this done. But I'm not gonna be in this angle for long. I just wanna show my face for a few seconds because look what came today. I just woke up. I discovered this on my doorstep because when I wake up, I normally check my email first and then Facebook and all that junk. And so I realized this was delivered. And yeah, guys, so it was on my doorstep. It was delivered by FedEx. So yeah, so let's begin unboxing this. Alright, so this is the box it came in. I had it private labeled just in case it came to the office. And I don't know why, but you know, it is what it is. So I private labeled it. You can choose to private label it for free. And let's begin, guys. Alright. Cool. Alright, and this is the front. The front is just, you know, my address and all that stuff. So, no. Should have got a knife. Give me a second. Actually, never mind. I could do this. Yep, I need it. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Stop it. Stop it before you get cut. Oh my gosh. Cat doesn't understand English. Yeah, well, that was actually good enough. Hold on. This is it. I didn't ask for no shrink wraps or nothing, but the moment of truth. Look at that first one. Oh yeah, this is definitely perfect. They got it to fit for the perfect size. This is perfect. And this is the back side. Just like flyer design I showed you in that last video. And this is it. There's 1,000 of them. I'm not going to count them. I trust people. But yeah, guys, it's like I said, it's 1,000 of them. But this is the design, and good printing. Printing is clear. I may not show it on my phone, but it's pretty clear on my end. And wow, it's really good. And you know, there's the back side, and I can't wait to pass these babies out. So yeah, guys. So this is Flyer unboxing, and you know, it's gonna be a video coming up. Me passing them out. Well, technically, put them indoors, but you know, I'm gonna still title this video passing them out because it's the same thing. But yeah, nextdayflyers.com. I got 1,000 for $80. I never passed out postcards before, so I just wanna do a starter of 1,000. So if you're just not starting off, go to nextdayflyers.com, buy 1,000. They're $80. I did all the shopping for you on Google to see who had the cheapest price and the best printing companies. I found this company on top10reviews.com, and you know, yeah. So next day flyers came out to be the cheapest one. Uh, they're $80 for 1,000. Vistaprint is $88. And like I said, if you're just now starting on offline postcard marketing, do a starter of 1,000. All right, you can do 5,000, but sometimes offline isn't for everybody. Try this out and see if you can pass them out. You know, every 2 days or every other day, or whatever the case is. So yeah, just if I was you, I would start out with 1,000. Like offline works for people, but online works for me. So I'm giving this a go, and yeah. So that concludes this video unboxing. There's 1,000 of them. Excuse the noise. The cat is hungry, so I gotta definitely wrap this video up. Alright guys, so nextdayflyers.com, 1,000 for $80. I ordered this on the 17th and I got it today on the 22nd. So yeah, let's make some money, guys. MCA for life.